In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your landing page to your email list on Getresponse. This is a really important connection to set up because it's what makes your landing page actually collect and organize leads for you. Once this is done, everyone who signs up through your landing page will automatically be added to the email list you choose, so you can follow up with newsletters, automations, or campaigns without any manual work. First, log into your Getresponse account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the top menu and hover over the section called Tools. From that drop-down, click on Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing landing pages are listed. Find the landing page you want to connect to your email list. Move your mouse over that landing page, and a few options will appear. Click on Edit Settings. If you're already inside the landing page editor, you might see a button labeled Next Step instead, and that will take you to the same settings area, so either option works. Now you're looking for a section called Subscription Settings. Scroll down the page until you find it. This section controls what happens when someone submits the form on your landing page and specifically which list they'll be added to. Inside Subscription Settings, you'll see a field labeled List. Click on the drop-down menu there. You should see all of the email lists you've already created in your account. Go ahead and select the email list where you want new leads from this landing page to be stored. Take a second to double-check that you're choosing the correct list, especially if you have multiple lists for different audiences or campaigns. If you haven't set up an email list yet, it's a good idea to pause and create a clearly named list beforehand, so it's easy to recognize here. A descriptive name will help you keep things organized as you build more landing pages over time. Once you've chosen the right list, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. When you're ready to make this connection live, click on Continue and Publish. This saves your changes and republishes the landing page with the new list attached. From this point on, every person who fills out the opt-in form on that landing page will automatically be added to the email list you selected, and you'll be ready to start nurturing those leads with your email marketing.